These days, I can't imagine not getting stressed or anxious over all the things going around, which is how I discovered Pulsetto Fit. When I heard that this neck-worn device promises relaxation, sleep improvement, and stress relief, I picked up one of these vagus nerve stimulation devices. So in this Pulsetto Fit review, I'm going to cover everything from unboxing and design overview to features and benefits and even real use experience. And if you feel like getting a Pulsetto device for yourself, just check the link in the description or scan this QR code. I've included the best deal I could find. All right, let's start with unboxing this beauty. Here's the box here. So the Pulsetto Fit actually looks pretty nice for a device that you're not going to see while using it, but the appearance aside, the box containing the device itself, conductive gel, a USB-C cable, magnetic pads in 3 sizes, and a user guide that I definitely didn't just skim through. This is everything you need to get started, but before that, I took a closer look at the device's quality. The Pulsetto device is actually quite lightweight. You can barely feel it when it's in your hands. And honestly, it's even less noticeable when it's on my neck. The device bends nicely, so you won't have to apply force to put it on or take it off. And the magnetic pads snap in with a really nice snap. These pads are an upgrade from the earlier Pulsetto versions as well, offering the flexibility that previously was not available. What made this device perfect for me was its customizable fit, thanks to these different size padding options. This way, both my partner and I, or my parents, can use the same device. All right, now that we're done with showing you what it looks like, I'll show you how Pulsetto Fit actually works and why it's so good for stress management, which this also begins right here where the vagus nerve is located. Actually, it's on both sides, either side, but this nerve plays a central role in controlling how the body reacts to stress. It goes all the way through the body and up to the brain. And Pulsetto Fit uses mild electrical stimulation designed to activate the vagus nerve. Pulsetto Fit aims to help the body shift out of prolonged fight or flight mode and into a calmer state. Overall, the brand outlines a list of improvements Pulsetto Fit is supposed to deliver to users. It's designed to support the body's relaxation response, which may help regulate stress hormones, heart rate, and breathing patterns, potentially promoting a calmer state. The device is controlled through the companion app that offers multiple guided programs aimed at sleep, focus, stress relief, and emotional reset. You're free to choose any program that you want and even personalize your sessions based on your goals. Pulsetto Fit is designed to be used daily, and it only takes 4 minutes per session, once or twice a day. The important part is staying consistent to build long-term nervous system resilience. This device is going to be especially handy for those experiencing anxiety, mental fatigue, or sleep difficulties after busy days. If you're looking for a non-invasive option to support stress management, a device like Pulsetto may be worth considering. If that sounds good to you, then why not try Pulsetto Fit for yourself? You can get it with the best deal through the link in the description. And thanks to the 30-day money-back guarantee and 2-year warranty, trying it out is completely risk-free. All right, now let's continue this Pulsetto review with some basic setup. I'll show you how to use this device. So before you put it on your neck, choose the most comfortable padding or one that you think will fit your neck the best. Personally, I use this thin one. I don't think I have a super big neck, but this one works for me. All right, next, you just press this button and power up the device. Now I'm gonna connect Pulsetto Fit to the app via Bluetooth. Moving on, I'm gonna take the conductive gel and I'm gonna apply it to the electrodes. You can also apply it to your neck directly, but it feels kind of weird to me that way. Let me know if you share this sentiment. Anyway, after everything is ready, I'm just gonna put it around my neck. For me, this is the perfect size. And honestly, Pulsetto fits comfortably and securely. If that's not the case for you, try a different padding size, or if you got a big neck, no padding. But before we continue, just ensure you have kind of a snug fit. All right, now I open the Pulsetto Wellness app and use the program that I need. There are 5 in total: sleep, stress, burnout, pain, and anxiety. This app also offers meditations, breath work, and tasks, but only in the premium version. While I have tried it out, I can't quite recommend spending your money on it. The programs available for free have been enough for me in my experience. So I've been using Pulsetto Fit for a few months now, sitting like this for 4 minutes twice a day, and here's what I have to say. Personally, I was surprised by how little of a time investment it is. Just 4 minutes with a comfortably fitting device around my neck. Yeah, it's barely a distraction from my daily routine. The materials also make Pulsetto Fit much less irritating to touch than the previous version, Pulsetto Light. I tried that one as well, and without padding options and with cheaper materials, it was actually kind of uncomfortable in comparison to this one. So Pulsetto Fit also has 20% longer battery life than Light does, lasting about 12 days on a single charge. Personally, I've been using it in the evening while doing some home chores or mostly watching TV, so I only have to recharge it every so often. As for the best time for this session, it was evening for me, though using it in the morning while drinking coffee is also kind of nice. And after a few months of daily sessions, I noticed that it's easier for me to fall asleep, and my fitness tracker also displays improved sleep quality. While I'm not that prone to anxiety or mood swings, I did feel perkier than usual in the past few weeks, but it's a bit hard to say if that's because of the device or just a placebo effect. Either way though, I think the device did lead to improvements in my life, and that's good enough for me. So what's the conclusion? In my opinion, Pulsetto Fit is a nice vagus nerve exercise device that improves sleep quality and helps with stress management while only demanding 4 minutes of your time every day. Offering meaningful improvement on overall well-being, it's a step up from the previous Pulsetto version. I recommend checking it out yourself with a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's really easy to pick up. You can always return it if you're not satisfied. Just check the link in the description to get the best discount while you're at it. All right, thanks for watching. If this video made you curious about other health tech devices, check the channel. I cover them regularly. Stay healthy. Hope to see you soon.